Hey guys, we're gonna try to turn Gator School into a vlogging thing, but we're waiting on a new camera, so today we're gonna try it from my phone. AJ and I are awake and we're having our coffee, and the cats and dog are going nuts at our feet, and we're waiting for Al to wake up. Okay, so we are currently freaking out because Target has Silly Putty, which we didn't know was still a thing.
Yeah, I had no idea Silly Putty still existed. And
They're in bright colors.
yeah, they're so bright. And I'm wondering if it's going to be one of those things that we remember and we're like, oh my god, Silly Putty was so awesome. And then we'll get it and we're like, why did we like this?
It was pretty terrible, but I think we're going to have to go buy that today.
I remember a Silly Putty I had that was supposed to be green and it turned like this grayish brown color. When
Literally
you
all it
apart.
does is feel
like,
weird.
Yeah.
But it can also grab like if you put it on the newspaper, like you smushed it in, you could...
Oh, right. I remember that.
You could, like, take okay, their comic strips don't exist anymore, but you could find a comic strip and you could put the comic, so. Oh, God.
Okay, we might have to get some of that.
I slept very good last night.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Who was like... But Lucy was, right now, Lucy was like climbing all over me.
Alright. Why don't you get ready for your day? Go potty and get dressed.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, I'm busy in here chopping potatoes, and my husband turns on the 90s song that's stuck in his head, and then goes outside. And I'm chopping potatoes.
You look sleepy.
Your shirt's backwards.
Your shirt's on backwards. It's gonna be one of those days, huh?
Trio agrees.
Yeah, Trio's hungry.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm gonna feed the dog.
Okay.
What does he have to do first?
Sit. Stay.
Good boy. Stay. Oh, make sure that cup's full. There you go.
What does all of it? Come on. Woo. Woo.
Hey Gator, where are we going?
Target.
Do we like Target?
Mhm. It has Minecraft stuff now, so like we're going all crazy about that.
One track mind, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm very into like Minecraft and YouTube and also Lego Friends, because I love Lego Friends Legos, and I have a lot of Lego Friends Legos.
It is Easter almost, and it's so cold out.
We have a week to go before Easter.
But it's so cold. It feels so cold today.
It's 33 degrees and the wind is blowing like crazy.
What's going on here?
It's too cold. That's what's going on.
Oh, we're going to Target. What?
You're so weird.
Target. Why can it be cold on a Target day?
Because we live in Wisconsin, it's always cold.
Yeah.
What do you think we need in this section for Easter?
Lemonade. Definitely fresh lemonade.
Or maybe eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eggs. I should.
We found the Silly Putty.
Do you even know what this is?
We're gonna play with it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's super fun.
Mom
Excited?
and Dad are really excited.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really zoomed in. What are you doing?
Okay, we are going to the toy aisle
For Hatchimals.
Yeah.
Hurry.
I already have some at home, but
Yeah.
I think they need to get some more.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go fill up the basket we
You
have.
grab your basket.
Okay,
Cool.
we're gonna go do some shopping here.
Neat.
Shopping.
Gator.
I got a Hatchimal blind bag.
How neat.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Excited?
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Be careful. There you go.
Look at that. All from going to Target at the right time, huh?
Yeah, we got lucky.
Look at that. We were lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Should we go home and open it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, and we went to Target. It was crazy. There were so many people there, and I walked up to a guy and he gave me this, a Hatchimal blind bag with an egg inside.
Isn't that cool? You got it just from being at Target at the right time.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It was pure chaos in there. There were kids everywhere.
And I got first.
Stickers, Hatchimal stickers.
Yeah.
And a cute little basket that you can decorate later.
Yeah.
How cute.
But what do you think? Should we open it?
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
So how do you open these? Show everyone. You just kind of push on the heart, right?
Yeah. And now we're going to break everything.
Careful. Don't get the eggshells on the floor.
We're gonna break everything. Yeah. First we break the heart, now we're breaking the egg. I can see something in there. I can see something. Okay, how do we pop off? This. Oh no.
Is it difficult?
Nope.
This is season 2 of Hatchimals, right? Keep going. Keep breaking.
Oh, I see a tail.
Beautiful. I see it already. It looks really cool. I can see it. I can see it. What is it?
Oh my goodness! Look what it is!
What is it?
I don't know what kind of animal this is. Probably a lion or a cat or something.
That's cute. I don't know. It doesn't have like the... Nope, it doesn't have... This one doesn't have the collector's map or whatever. There's just a single. But what do we think it looks like?
Tiger.
What do we think? Hatchimal fans are really mad at you for getting this one wrong, I bet. I don't know. What do you think it's a tiger?
Yeah.
It's really sparkly. Look at those wings.
Yeah, it looks like the Arctic fox.
It does kind of look like your Arctic fox that you have upstairs.
Yeah.
Neat. Are they going to be best friends?
Yeah, because the
All right,
wings
so
are
what
the
did you
same.
think about this whole going to Target and getting a free Hatchimal experience?
Good.
Was it really fun?
Yeah.
Was it a great surprise?
Mm-hmm. You surprised me.
Well, we were surprised too.
Help me! Fall into the basket.
Are you okay, Trio? What's wrong, Trio? What's wrong? What do you want? What could you possibly want? I think he knows that those are there. A little bit. Sit. Now that's a happy dog. He never knows where to go with his rawhides. He's just running around the house. Where do you want to go? What are you going to do with it? You never know. He's always so confused. No. Is that where you're going to go? Are you going to make a mess? Ah, he's so nervous. Really, Drio? Just calm down and have your ride. The biggest problem we have with unschooling is that sometimes we make her do a few things like reading, and she definitely doesn't want to read. I'll show you how much she doesn't want to read right now. Do you think you're really in that good of a hiding spot? But you have to be a good girl so we can do fun things tomorrow. So we're gonna read, right? One quick book. Reading's fun.
It's quick.
Yeah, and then we'll go to the library on Monday.
Hopefully I'll get it more quick books.
The better you are reading, the quicker it goes. Use your finger.
Her pet rat. She can
Sound it out. Aw.
calls
Good job.
calls the rat. Read a book and then danced.
Do we dance a lot? Are you tired?
Yeah,
Yeah.
tired.
Have a fun day.
How's it going on next today?
You were going nuts all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as you can see, Mom paid my tablet back.
Oh, did you learn your lesson? What are you not gonna do?
Bang. Tablet on the floor.
Yeah.
All right. Say good night.
Good night, and don't forget to like and subscribe.